everyone. My name is Fahad Amigos Datua, and I'm going to talk about the book All the Bright Places by Jennifer Niven. The story is about two teenagers, Violet Markey and Theodore Vince. So they meet at the top of their school in Bell's Tower. So both thinking about ending their lives, but instead of falling, they save each other. So after that, they work together on a school project where they have to visit different places in their state. So as they travel, they start to become close and learn more about each other. So in the chapter we've read so far, we can see that Violet is still very sad. Why? Because Violet is still very sad because of her sister's death, while the Vince, on the other hand, struggle with his own thoughts and feelings. But he tries to hide it by acting funny or different places to not notice. Okay, so what I notice in their friendship is helping them little by little. Okay, so they are not fully healed yet, but just having someone who understands makes a big difference. So guys, I haven't finished the story yet, but so for now, this is what I can share with you. So I am also excited to continue reading and find out what happened next in their story. Okay, so that's all for today. Good evening, everyone. Thank you.